Most people aren't poor because of bad luck. They're poor because of habits they repeat every single day without questioning them. Habits that feel normal, comfortable, almost invisible. Over time, these habits quietly drain money, energy, and opportunity. They don't destroy your life all at once. They slowly keep you stuck. Today, we're breaking down 5 habits that keep people poor. Not extreme mistakes, not dramatic failures, but small behaviors that compound over time and shape your financial reality. If you recognize yourself in any of these, that's a good thing, because awareness is always the first step toward change. Let's begin. The first habit is having no emergency savings. Many people live paycheck to paycheck without realizing how fragile their situation really is. Every dollar they earn is already assigned to something. There's no buffer, no margin for error. As long as nothing unexpected happens, everything feels under control. But life doesn't wait for you to be ready. A medical bill, a car repair, a sudden loss of income. Without emergency savings, even small problems turn into financial stress. And when you're stressed, you don't think long-term. You react. You borrow. You rely on credit and push problems into the future. Emergency savings aren't about wealth. They're about stability. They buy you time. They give you space to make calm, rational decisions. Without that foundation, building anything meaningful becomes difficult. The second habit is being comfortable with bad debt. Debt itself isn't always bad. When used correctly, it can be a tool. It can help grow a business, build skills, or increase income. But consumer debt works differently, financing things that don't produce value, paying interest to maintain appearances, upgrading lifestyles instead of building assets. This kind of debt creates pressure without progress. It ties future income to past purchases. It turns freedom into obligation. The real danger isn't just the debt itself, it's accepting it as normal. Structuring your life around monthly payments instead of long-term growth. The third habit is living above your means. This habit often hides behind comfort and comparison, trying to keep up, trying to look successful, trying to match lifestyles you see online. Spending slightly more than you earn doesn't feel dangerous at first, but over time, it removes flexibility. There's no room to save, no room to invest, no room for mistakes. Living below your means isn't about sacrifice, it's about control. It creates options. It creates breathing room. True financial confidence is quiet. It's built, not displayed. The fourth habit is not tracking your spending. Most people believe they know where their money goes. In reality, they're guessing. Small expenses add up. Subscriptions go unnoticed. Impulse purchases become routine. Individually, these things seem harmless. Together, they define your financial reality. If you don't track your money, you don't control it. Tracking isn't about restriction. It's about awareness. And awareness leads to better decisions. The fifth habit is not investing. Many people rely entirely on their income. They save what they can and stop there. But money that isn't invested slowly loses value over time. Inflation works quietly in the background. People wait for the perfect moment to start investing. More income, more confidence, more certainty. That moment rarely arrives. Investing isn't about chasing fast results. It's about thinking long-term, about allowing your money to grow alongside you. Without investing, your financial future is limited by your time and energy, and both are finite. Here's the reality. Financial struggle and financial freedom are built the same way, through habits repeated consistently. The habits that keep people poor aren't obvious. They're subtle. That's why they last. Change the habits, and the outcome changes. Not overnight, but permanently. Here's the truth. Financial struggle and financial freedom are built the same way through habits repeated over time. Nothing changes overnight, but everything changes when you become aware of what's holding you back. If this video helped you see your money differently, take a second to act. Like the video, it helps the channel reach more people. Subscribe if you want more content about personal finance, mindset, and long-term wealth. And share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Because the right ideas, shared at the right moment, can change a life. And the habits you choose today will shape the future you live tomorrow.